but their economic well-being is based on their spiritual well-being. Did you see that? Is it economy that goes first or the spirituality goes last? Think about it. Then everything will fall in place. Then only I will think about God. Then only I will commit to God. Think about it. Most people do that. God is very much dishonored. You know, our faith family, we should never come to this point that we commit and we have failed. We are not continuing what we committed for. And they thought their spiritual well-being is not based on their economic well-being. They dealt differently. They thought spiritual well-being is different. आत्मिक जीवन अलग है और मेरा आर्थिक जीवन अलग है. कई बार हम ऐसा सोचते हैं, पर वर्स 9 जब हमने पढ़ा, हगाई 1:9, what did we read? You harvested but got little. Why? You ate but you were not filled. Why? Ask the Lord of armies. You know, it is me who did that. And Judah, you know, the people of Judah, they blamed the nature. But God was answering them, why? Ask me why it's happening in your life. Why you are in debt. Why you have no money today. Because you haven't paid attention to God's work. Haggai 1:9. It has to do with nature. It has nothing to do with God. So they were blaming the nature. They were blaming the stock market. In today's time, we blame on stock market, you know. And they were blaming their boss. Nothing goes well. A boss is corrupt. Government is corrupt. I love my government. I love my prime minister. I love everyone. But they are not blaming themselves, you know. And they are not really introspecting themselves. आज जांचने का विषय है ये कि कई चीजें हमारी लाइफ में जो होती हैं, वो क्यों होती हैं? उसका कारण केवल प्राकृतिक है या उसका कारण केवल पास्टर है? पास्टर बुरा है जी. If you are looking for a flawless friend, you will remain friendless. You will remain. If you are looking flawless church, you will remain churchless.